Is 6th grade too early to start JEE prep? Is 11th grade too late? There is a fear-mongering industry out there telling you that if your child isn't solving SC Verma by age 15, they're already lost the race. But here's the curious truth. Starting early isn't the problem. It's how they start that determines if they will reach IIT or hit a mental wall by the time they turn 15. Today I'm sharing the secret to an early start that gives your child a 2-year head start without stealing their childhood. Imagine two students, Aryan and Meera. Aryan is sent to a residential program in South India in grade 8. The result, they are legendary. We see toppers on every billboard, but inside, it's a 16-hour pressure cooker. Aryan gets the marks, but at the price of his curiosity, his sleep, his mental well-being. He is burnt out before he even reaches actual JEE exam. Then there is Meera. She starts early too, but she isn't just a face in the crowd of 500. She uses PracBee's one-on-one online live tutoring. We have to be honest. The residential schools in South produce results because they are factories of discipline. If your child is in the top 1% who can handle that survival of the fittest environment, it works. But for the other 99%, that pressure breaks them down. The price of a rank shouldn't be child's smile or their confidence. There is a way to get the result of a residential program with the comfort of your home. This is where PracBee changes the game. Whether you start in class 8 or 11, our one-to-one live tutoring ensures that the pace is dictated by your child and not a batch of 100 people. In one-to-one batches, we identify gaps in their foundation so they don't become creators later. It's an elite coaching but feels like a conversation. In 1:5 model, for those starting early, our 1:5 program provides a healthy competitive spark. It's small enough for the teacher to know your child's name, but big enough to keep them motivated. Starting early with PracBee isn't about extra pressure. It's about consistent, stress-free mastery. Don't let coaching factories decide your child's future. The best time to start is when your child is ready for a mentor and not for a drill sergeant. Want to see if your child is ready for a head start? Click the link in the description. Book a free one-to-one diagnostic session with a PracBee expert. Let's build their IT dream one personalized step at a time.